Hello guys. This is the way how I use ChatGPT to improve my writing skill. So let me show you. First, I look for some blogs about celebrities because it is spoke in informal languages as Americans speak when they are with friends. Yeah. This is the reason I look for information only in blogs. And this article is about Britney Spears. And after that, I try to write uh, using new vocabulary for me. Yeah, this is my writing test uh, based on this article, but is my own writing and using new vocabulary. Okay. This is my writing test. And after that, I have two questions for ChatGPT. The first is proofread this according to an American informal English domain with the test. And the second one is, can you explain what grammar mistakes you have corrected, including an explanation of the ruling question? This is the two questions that I sent to ChatGPT. Okay, guys. So after that, the first step is copy the test in the question. So you can put double quote here and send that question to ChatGPT. Okay, this is the question. Let me show you. Uh, ChatGPT is generating a new test uh, in an American informal English. Okay, this is the result. Okay, you can also check the differences between both in a new website that I use to compare tests. This is the original and the result. Okay, you can check for the difference and try to identify some mistakes or what changes the ChatGPT, yeah, in order to review in details also. But the most important is asking for details, okay? And in that way, I have the second question for ChatGPT. This is the second question. Look for looking for details, okay? Looking for details about your mistakes. Okay, this is the details that the ChatGPT. Okay, this is the most important thing because ChatGPT gives you explanation about your mistakes in details. For example, uh, I'll have it change it to I admire her. Yeah. Um, this is the real importance of ChatGPT, because it's a huge difference. For example, if you try to use the spell check of Microsoft Word, it doesn't have a real suggestion for you. Let me show you. This is Microsoft Word. And really, the spell check doesn't give me any suggestion about the test, or only few suggestion has uh, a comma only, but not too much or in details as ChatGPT do. So another important topic about ChatGPT is that you can change the domain. Remember that in the first question I asked you, I asked ChatGPT uh, for an informal domain. Yeah, also you can change it for example, academic domain. Yeah, this is the other question that you can use. Yeah, and you can try different options, different rules, different domains, different kind of formality or different kind of audience, for example, for an informal, formal, academic, business. Yeah, there are many uses. Okay, that's all. Thank you.